In this example, we are asked to convert 30 miles per hour into meters per second. We are given that 1 mile is 1609 meters and 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So again, we write our quantity, which is 30 miles per hour, which we can rewrite it here, 30 miles, and in the denominator hour. We are trying to change miles into meters. So when we look at this conversion factor, we are going to get rid of the mile. So we put mile here is in the denominator, and then 1609 meters. That will get rid of our miles. And then to get rid of the hours, hours here is in the denominator. So when we put our conversion factor, we put hours in the numerator, so the hour cancels here, and here 3600 seconds, which is 30, and then we are left with 1609 meters over 1 times 1 over 3600 seconds. Okay, we group the units together, so we have 30 times 1609 over 1 is 1609 times 1 over 3600, and the units meters over seconds. So this is 30 times 1609 over 3600 meters per second, which is 13 meters per second. Okay, so 30 miles per hour is equal to 13 meters per second. And here we are asked to convert 9.8 meters per second squared into miles per hour squared. And our conversion factors are here. 1 mile is 1609 meters and 1 hour is 3600 seconds. As usual, we start by writing our quantity, 9.8 meters per second squared, equals, and then we rewrite it again, 9.8 meters in the numerator and seconds squared in the denominator. I'm trying to get rid of the meters, so when I look at the first conversion factor, I put the term that has meters in the denominator, so that's 1609 meters. It's equal to 1 mile. And then that gets rid of the meters. Then to get rid of the seconds, I use the second conversion factor. Since seconds is in the denominator, I need to put this term, the term in seconds, in the numerator. So that's 3600 second over 1 hour. So the seconds here cancels this seconds. We are left with another second. So we need to repeat the process by putting this conversion factor again. 3600 seconds over 1 hour, and this seconds now is going to cancel the other seconds, and we are left with 9.8 times 1 mile over 1609 times 3600 over 1 hour and times 3600 over 1 hour. So we group the numbers together and the units together, so we are left with 9.8 times 1 times 3600 times 3600, so that would be 3600 squared, over 1609 times 1 times 1, and the units miles over hour times hour, hour squared, which is equal to 78,936 miles per hour squared. Since this has two significant figures only, the answer is really 79,000 miles per hour squared when we use two significant figures.